Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the case may be, wherever you're at on this lovely spinning orb of Earth. What a lovely Earth it is here in the Sonoran Desert. Yes, it is, Mr. Gila woodpecker. That other bird you heard making a wannabe dove noise is an invasive species. Eurasian collared now. Anyway, let's zoom in. Oh, there's a couple of woodies. Not there. Woody's right here. One woody. Oh, I was just working on some different pieces, playing around. A little bit going on here and there. Just taking it easy like we do here. Y'all have a great rest of your weekend.